Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, we're gonna challenge ourselves to defeat 4 Shadow Mutants only using flamethrower, and the other bonus weapon is the gun, the pistol. So now we spawned here, so we're just chilling, waiting for our turn to defeat them. So to clarify myself for not cheating is turning invisibility for goods. I don't wanna turn off the infinite ammo because it's so impossible to defeat them without it. So what further ado, let's go start. So now we're just gonna do this. Wait a minute. Okay. Ignore by AI. Okay. Now it start now. For our strategy ngayon is to be changed by it and being hola. I'm going being chased by the ghost, bro. I took one now. We're being chased by two. That was so scary, man. Okay. We're doing good. Honestly, guys, these creatures are so fast and so strong that they can catch up on me anytime. Look at that speed, man. That wasn't unpredictable and also so strong. But it seems like they're slowing down. Maybe because of flames? What the flip? Okay, they are dying now. Oops. Oh no, bro. Oh no. We're also burning too, bro. We might not make it. Ay! No. Oh no. Reload. What the hell happened to you, bro? Burn to ashes, you shadow mutants, you filthy creature. Oh no, I'm dying. I'm burning on, bro. I'm burning. Hold on. Oh, wait. Where are they? Here they are. I'm burning. Why am I burning? Am I supposed to not to be burned, bro? Okay. We're doing good and we're doing bad because we're both burning. Oo nga, nalandasan niya iba. Yung ibang shadow mutants. Burn to death. Yes. I am also burning too. I don't know why. Oopsie. Where's the other two, bro? What the hell happened? No, they are dead. Since the other two is still not appearing, maybe we should chill more and extinguish ourselves from fire because we're burning still. Where is you? Okay, now we're good. My baling splinter. Now, guys, since the two shadow mutants is lost, let's find them. Maybe not here. Oh no, wait. We get slided. Maybe there. Where are they, bro? Oh, there are the other one, man. I can see. Alright, for no other cheating, I'm not again using my no flip toggle because that's really cheating. What are you doing there? Up down there. I can let burn them to fire. Okay guys, this is the flat armor. They are now dying to ashes. Yo, he is not chilling. She is not chilling. She's not chilling, bro. I have to beat them for the sake of my lives. Yeah, going to death, bro. Why I can hit them? No, finally I can hit them. Oh, they are burning. Maybe the other academy is burning to ashes. This is so boring, man. Maybe we can bring down here. Yeah. Good. And then the other one. Where are you? Oh my goodness. Very good. Yo. Why? What the hell is she doing? There she is. Aha! Just caught up on my speed, bro. Don't underestimate me, bro. Okay. They're getting. Oh my goodness. My heart is so red, bro. Like, nagtinan mo my hands. It's so red. Red. Oh, di mo maabot. You can face me, bro. You black. Oh, talapit. Going to us. Okay, run. Okay, what happened? Is he finally dead? He's indeed dead, bro. That's the other one. Where are you? She's not showing himself, maybe or herself. You know what, bro? I'm going to bring you down. Keep sure yourself, man. Are you scared of my power, man? Finally. Run. Where is she? Run, bro, run. Where's she at? Oh no, me too, I'm burning to ashes again. He died, bro. We won. He died to ashes again. Okay, that's low-key cheating because I spawned them there, over there, not that place, man. Like maybe this is a bug, maybe, but at least I won. So we have to cheer up, cheer. Yeah, I won, bro. I won. Anyways, goodbye. Thank you for watching, guys.